Hello students, welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhunde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1, Subject Maths, representing Teacher Poonam Gaikwad. Children, in our last video, we studied how to compare two objects on the basis of their lengths, height and weight. That is, when we compare two objects on the basis of their length, one is long and one object is short. Similarly, when we compare objects on the basis of their heights, one object is tall and the other is short. And when we compare two objects on the basis of their weights, one object is heavy and the other is light. Now children, in this picture we can see that the ball is closer to the footpath, means it is near the footpath, and the butterfly is away from the footpath, means far from the footpath. So children, today we will learn the concept of near and far. Every day we see many things. Some of these things are near to us while some are far from us. So children, when we compare two objects based on distance, we say the object is near or far. So children, our topic for today is near, far. Children, let us first understand the meaning of far. Far means which is away from us. Far is something which is placed away from us. When we see things from a long distance, that is called as far. And near means next to us, which we can see easily. Let us understand the concept of near and far with few examples. Now children, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a house. And what is this? Yes, this is a small puppy. Now children, you can see the small puppy is far from the house. And now the puppy is near the house. So children, let us see the next example. Now in this picture you can see one football net and two footballs. Now this football is near the football net and this football is far from the football net. Near, far. N-E-A-R, near. F-A-R, far. Now, can you tell what is near from the boy? The house or the tree? Yes, the tree is near from the boy. Now, in this picture, the dog is near the boy and the moon is far from the boy. Now, can you tell children, in this picture, the apple is near the baby or the banana? Yes, the apple is near the baby. Now, in this picture, the red ball is closer to the baby and the blue ball is far from the baby. So, the red ball is near and the blue ball is far. In this picture, what is far from the girl? The duck or the bucket? Yes, the bucket is far from the girl. So children, I hope you understood the concept of near and far. Thank you.